I just didn't even notice this. Do you know the lift in update now small roadblocks outside the exit up to the rooftop? Do you know the Fantastic Express? It's gone! It wasn't then a bad condition ocean. The Kone Ecodisc. No, the Kone Ecodisc. It's gone as well. It's been replaced with this cheap flat pack. It's now not even working properly. See? It's now not even working properly with this cheap flat pack. See, it makes noise, not. And see this? Can't even notice. This was gone too. This used to be an awesome Ecodisc, and now it's just this cheap flat lift that isn't working. There's a fault on the door. See? It's not a proper lift, it's bad. See it? Well then, see? It's not good, like. Bad luck for that elevator, bad luck for that game, bad luck to the person who made it, and bad luck to that elevator.